welcome to my channel The Games Miniature Toys. Today we are going to unbox Hot Wheels Special Edition Pack Black and Gold version of Porsche 993 GT2. So this packaging is very special and we get very limited stock in India. So this is how it looks in the box. So this is how it looks out of the box. Very beautifully designed car. Interior is red and car body is black, so bottom is golden. You can see golden Mac wheel for the tires and black spoiler, so you can see the wonderful detailing. Here the front side of the car looks like this, very sporty looking for the car. So very detailed headlights. I like this car very much. Comment me if you like this car. So let us end this video and see you again in the next unboxing. By then, bye.